Wednesdays with Papa. Mail call, July 1st, 2020. Hey folks, it's Papa. Papa, Texas. And this is mail call. Got 4 channels. I'm fixing to show you real quick, and I'll show you where I put their stickers on my sticker board. Be right back. Alright, the first one we have is Shane's Hobby Shop. Shane is out of North Dakota. That's right. So, I'm going to show you this. There's his wife right there. She's second. Let's go over to playlist real quick. Let's just look here. So he's got some cooking going on and projects. Oh, let me show you this. This is how I found him, I believe. It's in here somewhere. There it is. This right here, I want you to know, picnic table build. He did a really good job on that video explaining it. And anyway, explains it all. He does good on his projects. You might want to check him out. Pretty good channel. And next, we're going to go over here to his wife. And she's also from North Dakota. How about that? But you know what she's into? Right there. She does the woodworking too, and cooking and soaping and more. There you go. Alright. See, she got some playlists in here. She's got a few playlists going on. Foodie Friday, Sawdust Awareness, Woodworking Wednesday. She got a few videos out. Alright, next we're going over here to a Native Tears. I've been on with Native Tears since 2016. She made me some ferro rod holder or a handle, and it got lost in the mail, but she sent me a picture of it. It was real pretty. Oh, she's the one that started Cast Iron Wednesdays. If you do not know Cast Iron Wednesday or hashtag CIW, she started it. Let's go here. I bet she's got a playlist right there. Cast Iron Wednesday. Alright, so you go in here to Native Tears, check her channel out. All the links will be down below. There's a lot of things going on over at her channel. Let's go back. Alright, back on Native Tears. We're going to look at this. There's a few of her playlists, but anyway, she's doing stuff outdoors. She's got a garden. She helps channels out. She's doing real good over there, but the main thing I'm pointing out on here is Iron Wednesdays. Alright, let's move over to my buddy from 2016 also. This is Calvin's Corner 72. He's got some Dutch oven cookings out there, and digging up artifacts and finding arrowheads. I can't think today. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I plan on someday going to Georgia, hanging out with Calvin, and for him to teach me how to use my metal detector out there. That's right. I do plan on doing that in the future. Calvin, did you know that? I've already got 2 Calvin's Corner 72 stickers, and they're different. The one I should have now will be his brand new one, and Calvin always goes in the corner. Pappy, I'm saving the other corner for you. Oh yeah, he started doing this for Loco Friday, and let's see, the very last video he has out, it was an Uncle Steve shake. Yeah, using that thick meat. Right there. Good old Calvin. Go check Calvin out. Tell him Papa Texas sent you. He's a good old boy. Now let's get the stickers on the board. Calvin did a good job on that cook right there. Let's get the stickers on. Alright, well, here's my board. There's my buddies all on there. Right up over here. Right there, we got Calvin's Corner 72. Oh, and I forgot to tell y'all, maybe, he's in Georgia. Yep. Alright, and I put D. Cast Iron Crew. Cast Iron Wednesday. Right there. There's the hashtag. It's Wednesday. Today's Wednesday. Go check out that hashtag. Check out the channels. Over here, Strong's Adventures, he does some of those too. And over here, I got Know What Mom Knows and Shane's Hobby Shop. Alright. Well, there you have it. And Calvin, of course, he sent Maddie a sticker. And he actually sent one for my truck. So he'll be mentioned again when Maddie does her mail call. That's right. If you send 2 stickers, Maddie gets one on her board. And she's doing a separate mail call than me. Hers will be in 5 weeks. Alright. Well, there you go. Mail call 7/1/2020 is done. Y'all have a great rest of the week. I'll see you Sunday, because we're going to be cooking up something good. I know it will be. It's Papa, Texas. See ya.